What I've just watched has absolutely shocked me. Let's take a look. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON. Now this isn't necessarily a drone related video, but if you're into drones or RC aircraft, you most probably were a fan of flight simulators as well. One of my favorites as a kid growing up was Microsoft Flight Simulator. Well, the trailer for Microsoft Flight Sim 2020 has just been released and hell, incredible. I'm going to roll that trailer now courtesy of Microsoft, and I'll talk over it as well with my thoughts and first impressions. I've only seen about 15 seconds of it so far and already I am speechless. So here goes. If you want to watch the full trailer after this video, the link is in the video description. Let's get on with it. Now I love my Xbox, but I must admit, since having kids, that poor Xbox has barely seen the light. Look at the graphics there. Now remember, this is not video, this is not real landscape, this is all computer generated and rendered. Look at the reflections on that and the textures. Wow, it almost looks too perfect in that scene actually. You can tell it's CGI there, but that scene there could almost be real. Again, the graphics are just so crisp. There's Dubai, the palm. Just stunning textures. I mean, this is going to be really, really good fun. Even birds, wildlife. I'm so excited to have a go at this because Flight Sim was good, but the landscape was always very sparse. So you could fly over your home city, but you'd only get like 3 buildings actually rendered. But look at that, we've got every building in every city, it seems. I wonder if they'll have drone models as well. I wonder if you'll be able to fly a drone. Wow. So that's the trailer. If you're as excited about stuff like this as I am, then no doubt you'll be looking forward to it too. It's coming out in 2020. It's only going to be on the Xbox initially based on the advertising in the trailer, but we'll see because hopefully he'll roll out to PC platform as well. So were you into flight simulators before you got into drones? Comment below with your thoughts, give this video a thumbs up, and remember that more information about this launch is in the video description, so take a look. Also, if you enjoyed this and other drone related type content, click the subscribe button for more like this. Thanks very much for watching.